Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to access the Office Depot Punch-Out in Premier Connect. To begin, I will log in. The main difference between ordering here versus the Office Depot web account is that you choose your cost center and also the ship to location before you go into the Punch-Out to do your requisition. To select your cost centers and ship to location, click on the department, the three dots next to department under current settings. Just as a general reminder, MCH generally ships to Hillcrest and MCL ships to La Jolla. And if you have any additional ship to locations with your cost center, it will have a suffix behind it. So for example, I want to order using the cost center MCH 8871, but I want to ship to Convoy. So I'll select the Convoy location, and then I'll go ahead and go into the Punch-Out by clicking Requisitioning, Punch-Out Catalogs, and then click on Office Depot. I will go ahead and search for what I want. Once you see what you need, input a quantity and then do Add to Cart. If you have more items, simply go back to the search bar and find what you want. Then put a quantity and do Add to Cart. If you're done, click Checkout, and it will bring all the items back into Premier Connect. Make a note of the requisition number so you can follow up on it later if needed. Click Finish Now and Submit, and the order's in. Alternatively, you can also create favorites list in the Office Depot Punch-Out. Again, to do so, click on the Office Depot Punch-Out. Locate the items that you want to add to your list. Under Add to Cart, there's an Add to List function. So go ahead and click on Add to List. And if you do not have a list, you can click on Create List. And then click Save. And the list is created with this item. So you can click Continue Shopping. You want to continue to add items to it. So let's add one more item. And choose Add to List. The most recent list will be at the top. If you do not see a list, you can click on Show All List and find your list. Select the list and choose Add to List. Here you have the option to continue adding, or you can go ahead and see what's in your list. So click View My List if you want to see the items in there currently. So in the future, if you want to order from your list, simply go ahead and click on Office Depot Punch-Out and go directly to My List. And go ahead and find your list. Input a quantity and select the items that you want. Choose Add to Cart, and click View Cart, and then click Checkout. The process is the same as before. Make a note of your requisition number, and click Finish Now and Submit. If you have any questions on using the Office Depot Punch-Out, please send me an email at h1li@ucsd.edu.